In this video, we're going to show a great way to sell event tickets or admission passes on Shopify that is cheap and easy to set up and just gets tickets going immediately. Go into your Shopify store admin. You're going to go over here to apps. You're going to go up here to customize your store. And we're going to install an app. Now, it's probably not the app that you think. We're going to install QR Code Generator Hub. It's right here. Now, QR Code Generator Hub is the most popular QR code app for Shopify, but it also does a lot more. And there's a very clever and low-cost ways that you can issue and track tickets or admission, ways to track admission or give people passes. So we're going to click on Add App here. I'm going to go into the app, and there's all kinds of features here to manage QR codes and create QR codes and view QR codes. But we're going to go up here to Order QR Codes, and then we're going to hit Setup Wizard. Now, what does Order QR Codes do? It allows you to create a unique QR code for each order. So here's what's going to happen. Your customer is going to buy your pass or your admission ticket or whatever it is, and then they're going to get the order confirmation email. And in that email, you're going to have a QR code that is going to be their ticket. So what we do is we go into this QR codes for order setup wizard. In the QR code settings, we choose action when scan, and we choose QR code scan history. So you notice there's a bunch of different actions you can choose. You can use a custom URL or a homepage. This is what we often think of for QR codes. But instead, you're going to choose this cool feature called QR code scan history. You're then going to say, how many times can this QR code be used? So if this is a one-time admission to an event, then it would be used once. But maybe this is a rental. Maybe you're renting out a boat, and they can rent it out 10 times. And so you'll choose that they can be used 10 times. And in fact, you can do this limit on a per product basis. So this will figure out what product was bought, and then you can set the limit on a per product basis. Okay, so now we've got this QR code that's going to track when it was scanned and give you a history of the scans, right? We can then go down and customize the color of the QR code and customize the style. So there's all kinds of different things that you can use in this app to make the QR code look really good. You can put your logo in it, or Shopify's logo, or Twitter, or your logo, whatever. Change the text, change the colors. You can embed information about the order in the QR code image. I mean, just all kinds of, look at this. You can change the style of the QR code. There's all kinds of things that you can do to make the QR code really pop and really fit your brand. All right, so once we choose the style of our QR code, then we come down here in step 3 and we integrate it into our store. And so what we're going to do is basically copy a little bit of code, and there's an example here of how to copy it into our order confirmation email. And we can see what that email looks like, and it's going to have a QR code in it. And you can put instructions like, show this at entry to your event or whatever it is, right? And so what's going to happen is your customers are going to bring their order with the QR code to your event. You will scan that QR code, and it'll show you a history of when that's been scanned. If it hasn't been scanned before, or if you haven't been the one that scanned it, then you can let them into your event. And there you go. It's a very simple way to implement a ticketing system. And the nice thing is that these order QR codes costs way, way less than full-out event management admission systems, right? This is just a simple, straightforward, easy, and low-cost way to do it. So check it out. A lot of people are using this today.